In this video, I wanted to share some information as to how databases work. And the reason I wanted to share some information as to how databases work is because I wanted to share some knowledge and some insight as to how people should be collecting data. A lot of people don't realize what the right way and the wrong way is when it comes to collecting data, and they don't know how to utilize and store data properly, especially when it comes to passwords. It should be a standard by now for everyone to be encrypting passwords. It's not just about passwords, it's also about managing your data and optimizing your data so you can actually understand what data you are collecting. Recently, I have been building my brand new app called Roscarta Native. That's the name of the app experience for both iPhones and Androids. And during the process of building Roscarta Native, I needed to build a database. And this database had to be a universal database, which meant it needed to connect with multiple applications where other applications can understand what data is in the database, and then they also need to understand what data needs to be stored for the database. And a lot of people do not understand this. So I just wanted to break a few things down. First, a database is a base of data. It stores data. It stores raw data. It doesn't store the fully edited, polished up version of information. The next thing you need to learn about databases is this. Database is used to represent information. So information is representation of data. That's something a lot of people don't realize when it comes to working with data, databases, data manipulation. It's all about information is a representation of data. That's how that works. So what you're seeing on the Roscarta app, if you're watching this video through the Roscarta app, if you're watching this on YouTube, it's an early bird video. If you're seeing this video on the Roscarta app, the app's main focus was to make sure to have accurate information and accurate data that will help the user have a better experience. So it's all about being able to use the right data for the right people and giving the right information at the right time. So that's practically how databases work. The next thing you need to think about is structure. How are you going to structure your data, and how is that structure